Hello everyone, we will show you the application of JYD X30S ultrasonic lace machine for cutting and sewing cartoon patterns on double-layer fabrics. The ultrasonic lace machine provides more creative space for your designs with its unique cutting and sewing functions. The ultrasonic sewing machine uses high-frequency vibration, and the flower wheel transmits ultrasonic waves to the welding surface of the material. It can accurately cut and sew two pieces of fabric together, thereby obtaining a finished cartoon pattern with smooth edges, no burrs, and no fraying. Our machine can cut straight lines and curves without burrs. It can sew quickly without needing needles and threads, and weld firmly. It is widely used in daily necessities, clothing, toys, food, environmentally friendly non-woven bags, and other industries. Learn more, please follow me.